What is that?
I'm gonna broke my crayons.
Can you show me? Ah, that's our old crayon.
They're my old crayons. My new are in a crayon box.
Where is the new one?
My new one is at my crayon box for school, and then this is the box of my new crayons that I keep my old one.
You could draw me, huh? Yeah.
So hi guys, we're in here. And
What is that?
stickers.
Stickers?
And then my candy laptop.
Your?
Yeah.
Hi, man. Where?
Over here.
That's your laptop drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, Jordan.
It was me.
It was you?
I do some social media.
Oh. How did you know?
But I haven't finished coloring.
Say hi to your viewers.
Look at my old crayon.
Where?
Right here.
Say hi to your hair. Nababay na eh. Babay na. Sige na, babay na.
Why?
Si babay na. Ay, bot dito sa tabangan niyo.
How about you?
Hello guys! It's me, Taring Taring.
I'm coloring.
Happy to your
Buhok buhok.
Here
Why
ba?
are you using mommy's phone?
Udto pa ko. Manto dito, ma'am. Guys, look what happened to here. Wow.
Daddy, I can't see.
Tadlaw ka yung viewers. Wow.
Guys, don't mind him.
That's not mine. Wee. Wow, wee. Bye na, kanina ka magkuhan, talk sa mong viewer.
Just gonna draw before I can talk.
Si Gerard ko, edit ako.
Wala naman.
Sinagawa. Nalingaw na tog sige.
Wait.
Ito na skulon, permi ay. Mga batan on trana.
Bye na. Bye guys. Bye. See you next.
See you next vlog.
I said dear.
Happy to your loss.